Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be solving LeetCode for 12's Fizz Buzz. Now this is a very common question. So a lot of companies love to ask this question as it's so common. But anyways, feel free to pause the video just to read through the description, but I'm going to explain through the examples. So given a number n, we want to return an array, okay, from 1 to n, where if that number, each number, if it's divisible by 3, we have 4 fizz in that place. Okay, if it's divisible by 5, we have buzz in there. But if it's divisible by both 3 and 5, which is technically 15, if it's divisible by both 3 and 5, we have FizzBuzz. So which is if 15 is a factor of that number, we have FizzBuzz. So as always, let's get to coding. We love to use Python because we're snakes out here, like Kevin Durant. Nah, that's just a joke. But anyways, so I want to create an empty list to keep track of my final answer. I'm gonna call it answer. The answer, AI, like Allen Iverson. Okay, so answer, an empty list. So now I want to iterate through it. So I keep in mind that this is a 1 base. It tells you it's 1 index. So we're not 0 index. So in this case, we want to start our iteration from 1. For I in range. Okay, what range? I want to start with 1. I want to go up to n plus 1. Keep in mind the upper bound of the range function is exclusive of the higher value, so it's just going to go up to n. It's not going to go up to n plus 1 because it's exclusive of the topmost value. Okay, so for I up to this number, like we said, let's check the 5 and the 3 first. If I modulus 3 equal 0, meaning it's divisible by 3, and it's also divisible by 5. Okay, this number is a multiple of both 5. Oh, I'm sorry, I was trying to say I, not 1. I'm tripping sometimes. Okay, this number is both a multiple of 3 and 5. What do we want to do? We want to append to this. So answer. So to that, we want to append FizzBuzz. FizzBuzz. I hope I spelled it correctly. I think so. Let me check. FizzBuzz. Yeah. Okay. So we've taken care of the first case where it's divisible by 15. So next case, we just want to check. Let's check just 3. So it's gonna be Elif. Okay. Elif is just divisible by 3. Okay. In the case of 3, I believe all we just want to append is Fizz. Okay. Let's make sure 3. Okay, Fizz, yeah. And then last but not least, in the case of 5, oh man. Okay, last but not least in case of 5, just a multiple of 5. Okay, now we want to return Buzz, as in Buzz Aldrin, as in Buzz Lightyear. So now we have all the cases except our base case, so which is our else case. Else we just want to return the number himself. So I'm just gonna append this. Okay, and what do we want to add? The number himself converted to a string. Okay, so in this case, once we're done with the for loop, once we appended all the values, we just want to return answer. Okay, so far this looks good. Let's go ahead and submit it just to make sure we're Gucci. We is Gucci. Okay, we're good. 50 percentile or 58 percentile, not bad. So like 60. Okay, we're doing pretty good. So as always, let's take it one step further. Okay, let's go ahead and visualize our code. This is the exact same code but going for 15. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. So we go ahead and declare a function. Then we go ahead and call a function with n equals 15. So next we're gonna go to our for loop. Okay, we created that answer empty list which we're gonna append to. So for, in this case, I is 1. Okay, is 1 divisible by 3 and 5? No, it's not a multiple of 3 and 5. So we just skip it. Okay, we check all the statements. So we just add, it goes to the else case, and we just add him in there. 2 is in the same boat as 1, so I'm just gonna fly through it. So 2. Now 3 is divisible by 3. Okay, so he's not gonna go in the first because it's the and, but he's gonna go in the second, and we're gonna append Fizz to it. Okay, good. So 4, now we're gonna skip 4. 5 is divisible by 5, so we're gonna add Buzz to it. Okay, good. So I'm gonna push this up so we can see this array form. Okay, so 6 is divisible by 3. We add Fizz to him. Okay, so we'll just have a 4. Is 4 divisible by? So we're checking. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. 0 base. Okay, we don't care. Okay. So yeah. So 6 is divisible by 3. So we're good. Okay, 7, 8, 9 is divisible by 3, 10 is divisible by 5, 11 is not, 12 is divisible by 3, 13 no, 14 no, and then 15 we're gonna have them in there. So let's see what it looks like. So let's go 14. Okay, let's see 15. We should have 15 now. Good. So our 15th is FizzBuzz. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this was helpful in showing you guys how this works. It's a very easy problem, and I'll see you in the next one.